How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 96 Silverado short box, all original truck. Very nice. Come from down south. It's all rust free, original paint with the exception of the hood. Very nice truck. All the bumpers, the grill, everything's in excellent condition. It's got the sport wheels on it, look real good. It's got some new Cooper Cobra tires. Got tonneau cover. Rear bumper, everything looks real good. They did a dual Flowmaster exhaust all the way out the back there, as you can see. Okay, it's a very nice truck. All original trim on it. All underneath the hood's very clean, very nice. We actually drove this truck home. About 630 miles home. Thing drove out perfect, right down the freeway. Run excellent. And this thing's loaded up. Every option: windows, locks, cruise, air. Got power lumbar in the seats, tilt wheel, stereo system. It's got the split bench up front with the armrest. Tell you, all the interior is original and it's excellent condition. Jams are all real nice and clean. Got the rear slider. Inside the bed looks like it has never even been really used. Not all beat up or nothing. It's very nice. It's got 130,000 on it. Got the power mirrors as well. Tell you, it's really hard to find a real nice short box pickup anymore. Very clean. Have a great day, folks.